Hi guys, what up? It's Extreme. Today we are going to take apart the parts on the Honda, and we're going to put the parts over there, and we'll put you on time lapse, and we'll see you in a little. Bye. Vroom, vroom, vroom. What up? It's Extreme. We got this side done. Come look at it. See? We got the, what's that?
Clutch cover?
The clutch cover off. We got the chain off. We got the starter off, the kick starter.
That's the shifter.
The shifter. And we're going to do this side now. We're going to put you guys on time lapse, and you'll watch us take apart this side. We just got done fishing. That's how I'm going to show you it real quick. See? Comment down below if you see any differences, because there are differences. See you next time for our next Honda motorbike video. See you.